Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today, I and my group mates will present about risk management of our project, which is grill stove. Our group members are me, myself is Muhammad AZRI, FATNIN, Raja ALAUDDIN, HAZIQ SAFWAN, and Tan Bunsan. So, our presentation will start with Raja ALAUDDIN.
Okay, I will start with the introduction. First is overview of grill stove. It is commonly used for outdoor cooking, whether it's gas, electrical or charcoal. It provides convenience but presents potential hazard if not managed properly. Next is the current issue. Rising incident of fire and accident linked to grill stove use. Next is concern over malfunctioning component and improper maintenance. Next is purpose of risk management. It is to identify and mitigate risks associated with grill stove usage. Next is ensure safety for user, property and the environment. Lastly is the scope of the presentation that we will do is addressing common risks and preventative measure. Next is proposing safety practices and strategies for effective risk management.
Hello, so my name is Atira, so I will explain about the SWOT analysis. Alright, so for strength, this device is versatile, meaning it can grill, boil and fry, giving you many cooking options. So it's also portable, so it's easy to take on camping trips or picnic. It heats up quickly and has adjustable heat setting for better control. It's durable, made from strong material like stainless steel and cast iron. Plus, it works with different fuel types like propane, butane or charcoal. So the fourth weakness, the device has a small cooking surface so you can cook less at once. It can be tricky to clean and some models use a lot of fuel. Also, keeping the temperature steady might be harder than with regular grills. So next, for the opportunities, as more people enjoy outdoor activities, stove grills are becoming more popular. Eco-friendly materials and solar power options attract eco-conscious buyers. Smart features like sensors and app controls improve the experience, while fat draining grills appeal to health-focused customers. Okay, so next for the trades. Intense competition, big brands dominate, making it hard for newcomers. Changing trends, more people are choosing air fryer or electric grills. Third, economic downturn to time lead to less demand for non-shells item. Fuel price rising, fuel costs may push buyer away. And the last one, safety rules. Strict regulations increase cost and complexity. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'll briefly talk about risk identification for our project grill stove. When managing any project, identifying risk early is essential to avoid potential setbacks. We can categorize risk into 5 main types. The first one is technical risk. This arises from material problems, design errors, or equipment failure that can disrupt progress. The second risk is budget risk. Overspending or underestimating costs can strain resources and jeopardize success. The third risk is timeline risk. Missing deadlines or tasks often leads to delays, affecting the entire schedule. The fourth risk that our group identify is team risk. Lack of coordination or team incompetence can hinder productivity and lead to errors. The last risk is external risk. Unpredictable events like supply chain interruptions can have significant impact. So, by recognizing and preparing for this risk, we can minimize their effects and keep the project on track. So that's all from me, Muhammad Azri. Thank you.
Today I will explain about the register. First, I have 10 identify risks. First, grease fire, gas leak, electrical malfunction, food contamination, carbon monoxide poisoning, burn injuries, tipping over, explosion, structural damage, and pest infection. For consequence, what happen if we identify the risk for grease fire?
can result in uncontrolled flame. For gas leak may result in explosion. Electrical malfunction can produce electric shock, and then you can see more. And for potential response, what we want to do after that happen. So if grease fire, turn off the fuel. If gas leak, turn off the gas. If electrical malfunction, turn off and unplug the grill. So that's what we can do after we identify the risk. Okay, so thank you.
My name is Tan Boon Seng. Today I will be presenting the risk matrix for our grill stove project. This analysis helps us understand potential risks, impact, and how we categorize them to prioritize mitigation action. This risk matrix summarizes the identified risks for our grill stove project. Each risk is evaluated based on probability and impact, and the risk score is calculated by multiplying their values. Risks are categorized into three levels: high threat risk score greater than 0.18, medium threat 0.05, risk score greater than 0.05 and less than 0.18, and low threat risk score below or equal to 0.05 with corresponding color codes. For example, grease fire is a high threat with a score of 0.24, while pest infestation is a low threat at 0.025. This metric helps us prioritize response, focusing first on high-risk areas to ensure project safety and success. Thank you.
Lastly is the conclusion and discussion. The grill stove risk analysis found critical safety concerns such as fire dangers, gas leaks, and equipment failure, emphasizing the importance of adequate risk management. Regular maintenance, user education, and adhere to safety regulation are required to prevent accident and increase safety. And based on the findings, specific recommendations include conducting frequent safety checks, employing high quality material, and offering clear usage direction. Strengthening emergency response strategy is also necessary to deal with possible crises rapidly. These actions are intended to provide a safer atmosphere for grill stove users.
That's all from us. I hope our presentation has all the details about risk management. Thank you.